What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. We are currently in American Truck Sim here, and we have a goal today. Our goal, well, I'll tell you the goal in a little bit. I'm gonna keep it a secret. First, we gotta drive, I think like 10 miles just to get to the shop. But we will be doing something in a second, but I cannot tell you guys it right now. It's secret. It's a very, very big secret. Alright. Well, let's get to trucking. Oh, I am not in gear. Okay, so these are all my trucks. Okay, so we're going to go trailer manager. Alright, so now there's something we have to do. What cab over should I use? I think I'm going to use the International 900. Okay. Treason, yes. Okay. Alright, so I'm going to tell you guys the goal of this video. So, the goal of this video is to break every single law in American Truck Sim. So, run red lights, crash into cars, speed, all of it. This video is basically just for fun, because it's currently 10:30 p.m. midnight while I'm recording this. So, this is just gonna be for fun. No sleep, we're not gonna sleep because obviously that's against the law. This truck is so loud, we're not gonna look at crossings, we're gonna crash. Hi there, go. Push him into the pole right now. This truck is very loud. Alright. One rule broken. Crashing into other people. I'm gonna break another rule right here. Not going in the right lane to turn. And I'm also not gonna use my blinkers. So that's two rules. And I also ran a red light, so that's 3 rules. Slow down here. Slow down. I'm trying to brake check this person. Alright, yeah, keep slowing down. Alright, dang it, they turned. Oh, you though. Next victim. Yeah. I mean, that kind of counts as slamming. That kind of counts as slamming the brakes, I guess. Crash vehicle offense, there we go. Did that one, I didn't get charged. This time I did. And I haven't damaged the truck yet, so I really haven't done anything bad. Well, I have, but and now headlights, that's also a rule down. Ramming into emergency vehicles is one. I also need to get speeding down, but first I'm going to try and slam into this guy. Alright, slamming into emergency vehicles. Alright. I did damage the truck, so I will have to repair that. much. Don't know why I could have a vehicle malfunction. You know, maybe it's the fact that I've been ramming people constantly. I just rammed that guy at full speed, but you know. I actually still have to get speeding. I haven't done that yet. I gotta find a straightaway that I can speed on. Oh, taking out a sign. That's another one. I obey no laws. I own an international cab over. No laws apply to me. Alright, there we go, speeding. And you can see in the bottom right corner, I'm going 65 and a 55, so that's another one. I can get off this exit and do the next one. This truck is so loud, so I'm like screaming right now. Oh. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Off-roading on private property? Oh, I didn't really go off-roading. It's kind of hard to see with no lights. Hi there, car. This is your worst nightmare. Malfunction. I wonder why. Maybe it's the fact that I've been ramming vehicles, but I highly doubt it. There we go, red light violation. Yeah, it's totally not the reason I've been ramming vehicles, drifting, and another rule broken, do a U-turn in the middle of the road. I need the sleeping violation now, quick. Let's go this way. Parking and no parking spaces. That's another one. Ooh, parking and handicap. Guys, I think the cops are after me. Guys, did you hear that? I heard cops. Wait, I gotta break this rule and then I'm gonna run from the cops. That's another rule, right? Evading the police. Alright, park and handicap. That's another rule. Taking out the handicap is also another rule, I think. Violation. private property here and I'm off-roading. Guys, I gotta turn the lights on because I currently can't see. So, listen, oh yes, it started. It took a while. Just me, or is the light only in the cab? Why is it so hard to get up this hill? Am I in differential? Stop, no, please. Don't do this. No. Come on, truck. You got this. You're so close. We're slipping down there. Yes, we did it. I think I actually literally took out... Yeah, I took out the side railing. This wasn't here before. I took out the railing. Wow. Impressive. Made a huge gap. I think I'm gonna keep differential on because that's a rule break. Having differential on a public road. Uh-oh, guys. No way. Guys, so if you can see this, hold on. Give me 1 second. Let's see. So you can see the truck is 100% damaged. It says visit service immediately. We're gonna see how long we can drive before it shuts off. Oh yes, headlight usage offense. Yes, let's go. Drift it. like normal, just every couple minutes it's gonna shut off on you. Yes, I'm gonna ram them. Yes, take that. I think we should probably make our way to the service station. How far do we travel? Dang, bro, we started in Mount Helena all the way up here and we came to Reading. That's insane. Alright, so right here is the repair shop. We're gonna try and go there. Obviously breaking more rules. Oh no, it's a motel. Oh wait, we're gonna get sleeping violation soon. He just yawned. That's good. Vehicle malfunction. Are you nuts, game? Oh wait, I gotta turn the headlights off. Vehicle malfunction, go figure. This truck keeps braking on me. Wait, what was that? Yeah, I think I just got the no sleep thing. The sleeping violation. Sign this truck up to get fixed because it needs it. Oh dang, repair all, oh that's not even. Well, this costs, doing this cost me $30,000. Wow. It's insane. Alright, well they told me to just back it up in here. Alright. There was only one rule we didn't break, I'm pretty sure was a sleeping rule. I mean, there's probably a bunch of others, but that was the best I did. Oh. Alright. But we did break quite a few rules. I'm gonna get this in after I stop recording, but yeah, I'm gonna get this thing repaired because it's pretty damaged. But, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace!